Hello, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Yeah, time's flying this semester, that's for darn sure. So this week's focus with users and audience acquisition engagement. I'm going to focus more on the users and audience part just because that's kind of something I feel strongly about. I've been saying it in some of my previous posts and videos that knowing your audience can definitely help you present data in a more efficient or effective manner. By this I mean if you know your audience, you can make certain changes to sites or whatever to cater to their needs. So like if you know your audience has very little IT experience, or you could develop your page a little bit differently than say for IT professionals. In a corporate environment, since you see various skill levels, you could use particular analytics or data to find out what types of users are accessing which sites within your company. Excuse me. Once you have that, you can cater to particular needs of the sites to the main demographic, or you can expand to increase traffic to that site. So if it's too developed, too high level for certain users, you can kind of bring it back a little bit and attract new users. So in the environment that I have at my work, our main homepage is a lot simpler than the IT SharePoint subpages. I'm not sure if the designers of this environment had any analytical tools. I'm assuming they did, or at least they have some knowledge, but they had to have some sort of guidelines or information to design the environment the way they did. So with this environment, I've also gone to a couple of different department pages like HR, finance, engineering, and you can see that the different departments are all designed slightly differently, and it appears to be based on the skill level of that department. So like the engineers are typically more IT centric versus other departments. So you can tell that difference in the design of the sites, which I think directly correlates to analytics that can be taken from data and who's visiting the pages. So it is my opinion that it's essential to know your users when you're developing an internal source, because you, as an IT person, it's our customers are our users, so we have to make sure that they're happy, and we can attract them to information that we need to, or what have you. On the same level, for external stuff, I think it's also important that you know your intended audience, because if you're looking to sell stuff or sell services or whatever, you have to know who you're targeting with your marketing in order to be most effective at your job. So it's you don't want to overwhelm potential users with crazy things on your website. So knowing that audience, knowing your users is crucial when you're trying to develop any type of web page, website, web service, whatever it may be. And so that's all I have for this week's discussion for right now. I hope you guys all have a good week.